One story, one very smart floor plan, and plenty of natural light. Let's go check this property out, and don't forget, if you want all the information, to scan the QR code right here. One of the unique features about this home is its open floor plan. Not only do you have a beautifully updated kitchen with stainless steel appliances, gas range, and a huge kitchen island, but it's open to the living room and the dining room area as well, which makes it perfect for entertainment. All of that, and haven't even told you about the amenities at Mustang Lakes. Stocks fishing ponds, swimming pools, playgrounds, pickleball courts, tennis courts, a gym, and it also covers front yard maintenance too. See it for yourself, schedule a tour today. My name is Mike, scan the QR code right here for more information. And as always, remember, Brits sell best. See you next time. Bye bye.